Turning grasses into hay is a smart way of adapting to the changing climate. Cut your grass before it is overgrown and still has lots of nutrients. It's then a really good idea to make hay. Once cut, let the grass dry in the sun for 3 days. Turn the hay daily so it dries quicker and won't rot. The faster your grass dries, the better quality your hay. To make the hay bales, build a wooden frame that is 3 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 1.5 feet high. Place strings inside the frame like this and add the grass. Compact down as much as you can. Jump up and down on the grass. Once you've squeezed in as much grass as you can, tie the string and pull it out of the wooden frame. Done! Store the hay bales in a dry, covered area off the ground for up to 6 months.